Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to play Angry Birds 2 without any sound. If you are trying to play Angry Birds 2 quietly so that you can focus better, save battery or just enjoy your own music, first of all launch open the Angry Birds 2 game on your device, and once the game loads, tap on the gear icon at the bottom left corner from the main screen. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see the music note and speaker icon at the bottom. Tap on them both in order to turn off sound. This will now mute the in-game sound. This icon should now appear dimmed or crossed out, signifying that the sound is off. Now you can return to the main game screen, and then you should no longer hear any sound effects or background music. Especially if you prefer to play in silence or listen to your own music, this step-by-step guide will help you easily turn off the in-game's audio. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.